In the Division of Developmental and Behavioral Pediatrics, or DDBP, we know that there are many important factors to think about as your child ages into teenage years and early adulthood. As your child transitions from childhood to adulthood, there are many resources and support options available. This video includes current resources for youth with developmental disabilities. We encourage families of children ages 14 and older who receive special education support to talk with the school team about important transition to adulthood goals that can be included on your child's individualized education program. For youth with developmental disabilities ages 16 and older, vocational education coordinators are Cincinnati Children's staff members that can help to explore employment, job training, for example, a program called Project Search, and day program options. For teenage patients receiving care in our DDBP medical clinic, we provide support as they learn to become decision makers for their personal health. Teenage patients receive education on legal, medical, and employment or job training options. For more information, talk to your child's DDBP medical provider. When your child reaches the age of 18, Ohio code states that your child is their own legal guardian unless otherwise determined to benefit from ongoing support through one of the following. Supported decision making, or SDM, is a tool that allows people with disabilities to retain their decision-making capacity by selecting their supporters to help them make choices. A person using SDM selects trusted advisors, such as family members, friends, or professionals to serve as supporters. The supporters agree to help the person with a disability understand, consider, and communicate decisions, giving the person with a disability the tools to make their own informed decisions. Power of attorney is a legal document that gives someone else the authority to act on an individual's behalf. A person must be mentally competent by law when they give someone else the authority. The person gives permission for power of attorney to consult and help make decisions specifically related to medical and/or financial issues, but does not give up legal rights. Conservatorship is a legal arrangement in which an adult with a physical or developmental disability voluntarily gives up their rights to another adult. This person may specify to the court what authority they want their conservator to have. The person also gets to decide how long the conservatorship lasts. A conservatorship looks and feels like a guardianship, but most importantly, it does not involve finding of mental incompetence. Guardianship is a court-ordered relationship in which one adult is authorized to make decisions for and act on behalf of another adult. The type and scope of guardianship determines what rights and abilities the adult keeps. In this process, the adult must be found mentally incompetent by law through expert evaluation and is judged unable to make decisions of their own. By law, a guardian oversees decision-making for their ward. A ward is a person who has been declared legally incompetent by the court and is not able to care for his or her personal and/or financial needs. In all of these instances, it is important to prioritize helping your child develop the skills needed to be an active part of the decisions about their life. Studies show that people with developmental disabilities who have the opportunity to be involved in their own decision-making live healthier, more independent lives and are far more likely to be gainfully employed. For more information related to transition age planning, talk with your DDBP provider, a family support team member, or visit our website.